Hey everyone, it's Kellen from Electric Wheelchairs USA. In this video I want to go over the Gypsy Q2 from EV Rider. This scooter folds really compact. It actually gets to a really small enough length that depending on the airline you can stow this above where the luggage is, but you should always contact your airline, but I know that that can be done with this scooter. The battery range is about 8 miles. 250 weight capacity. Obviously it's airline approved. Once you remove the battery, it gets down to 42 pounds. So in this video, just want to get into more of the features so you can learn more about the Gypsy Q2. So first thing I'll show you is the seat. There's no seat back. It's not appealing to people because they probably want the seat back. But I believe it's not on there to try to get it down to its lightest weight possible. On the tiller, interesting enough, this is the key. So you just plug the key in that way. Really basic controls. You got your speed control here. Top speed is around 4 miles per hour. It's your forward and reverse switch. There's actually not a horn on this. The throttle is on the right side, but you can see it's actually attached by these 2 screws, and I think you're going to need an Allen wrench. If you're left-handed, you want to put it on the left side, but pretty simple. I don't think it should be too hard to do. You can call us beforehand to see if we can get it switched to the left side, because I think they can do that before they ship it. But you just grip the throttle, and it has electromagnetic brakes, so you let off the throttle, the brakes engage, obviously going in reverse. It's a telescoping tiller, so I can telescope it up. That's the highest position right there. It is not angle adjustable. You do need to be able to pull this when you fold it. You can set your feet here. So if you're like a taller rider, you kind of set your feet like that. And for reference, I am 6'4", I weigh 235, so I'm under the weight capacity, but this is what I look like on it. I feel like I look probably pretty big on this, but they have this bar here to put your feet on so you can stretch your feet out if you didn't feel comfortable putting them here. Now, as far as charging the battery, there's no charging port in the tiller, but you can charge it directly on the battery. It's easy to remove. I'm just going to pull it from this handle. Pops right out. Here's your charging port. So you can just leave the scooter in your garage and charge this. Once it's fully charged, it gets down to, or the charger will get green, I'm sorry, once it's fully charged. So it's a 10 amp hour battery. And when you put it back in, you just make sure you line up these connectors with the teeth here. It's pretty simple to do. We are giving away a free mobility scooter. Now, from the past of doing this giveaway, this is an authentic giveaway too, guys. We're actually giving these away to real people. This is not something that's set up. We give these to real people that actually subscribe and comment on our videos. But what we're finding is that a lot of times people are hard to get a hold of, and we want to give away to people that are supporting us. So moving forward, if you want to be eligible for this, all you have to do is comment on any video, subscribe to our channel, and then once you've done those things, send us an email at giveaway@electricwheelchairsusa.com. We'll put that on the screen, and then put your username of your YouTube name, and we're going to verify that you subscribed and you commented, and we'll have your email, so then we'll be able to let you know if you are one of the winners of our next giveaway. So I just wanted to share that with you. I'll show you how to fold it. So actually what I'm going to do to get it to the lightest position possible, I'm just going to take the battery out. First thing you would do is you'd actually pull this on the bottom, on the back of the seat, pull this out. And it allows you to fold the seat down. After that, you're going to pull this knob to lower this down. And it's actually built that the tiller sits right there on the seat, so it doesn't jump around. And from here, I can grab this handle on the back, and you can kind of wheel it behind you. You can even extend it out. So I can wheel it behind me like this if I needed to for transporting. But yeah, this is the lightest weight right here. So this is at that 42-pound weight. And actually what I didn't do is it actually gets smaller in length. So I'll put the tiller back up. And I just pulled up on the sides, and you can see how this collapses. And push this tiller in. And this is what I was referring to at the beginning of the video. Depending on the airline, you can store this above in the overhead compartment. And so you just check with your airline and make sure you can do that. But I know that has been done before with some of our customers. Let's do some measurements of this. So the height in this position, it's like about a foot, about 12 inches. Length at this position, 27.5, 28 inches. If I extend it out all the way, the length is now 35.5 inches.
Hey, I just want to let you know real quick, we do have a physical catalog that we can send to you, and it is free. It's not of all of our products, but it is of our top sellers. You can give us a call at the number below and just provide your information to the representative that answers, and we'll get it sent out to you. Or you can also click on free catalog at the top of our website and just fill out that short form and submit it. And once we receive that information, you'll receive that catalog in about 10 days. All right, back to the video.
So unfolding, I'm going to pull that same lever here on the back, but you have to pull up the seat like that. And then you hear it click when it gets into place. Another measurement I'll show you is seat width. Small seat, it's about 13 inches wide. Depth is about 10. So small seat, it's a compact scooter. This is good for if you're really short too. I know sometimes we get calls from people who are not very tall and they want something that is going to fit them. So you can see I have the tiller pushed all the way down. This is a good scooter for a short rider. I think it would also work well if you maybe you live in a small space, like a small apartment. This might be a good scooter for you. So something that I just noticed about this is the turning radius is not the best on this. So say, for example, I'm going down a hallway and need to turn around. You can't just simply turn around in one motion. In most hallways, you're going to have to kind of go back in reverse and finagle your way out this way. So I'd say that's a downfall. Turning radius is not the best, but it's a good travel option. It's probably not going to be the best in the grass, but I'm going to ride it in here and see how it does. Actually, surprisingly, it does better than I thought it was going to do. So yeah, you could ride this in the grass. I'd say as long as it's maintained grass that's not, like pretty much level, although there's a little bit of an incline and decline there. But this is primarily for like someone that's like an avid traveler. It's airline approved. You want something that's just not real cumbersome to take with you. But yeah, this is the Gypsy Q2. So if you have any questions about it, call us. We are open every day. Our phone number is 1-800-682-9444. You can also visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com. Thanks for watching. You guys have a good day.